Hello friends, welcome to learn HTML. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, linking. It is a hyperlink. For creating hyperlink, here we create a anchor tag A. href is a attribute hyperreference is equal to here you can give the name of targeted file. Suppose here you want to open a file1.html, give the extension. You can also give here target. Now we don't have any target, therefore keep it empty. Then close the angle bracket. Suppose here we give any text, open file and close the anchor tag. Okay. Before that, here let us give one heading, linking demo. Use here br. Save the file. Go to your folder. Double click on file. Then it will open under Window Explorer. Zoom it with Control and plus. Whenever you move the cursor over this text and click, then this file is open. This file is under our folder. Suppose this file is outside the folder, then you have to give the path. Right click here, open the view page source. Here you have to give the path of file. Here file is already present in our folder, therefore here we only give the name of file. Okay, this is a simple linking. Go to the source code, alter tab. Now here let us create one more linking. Suppose through the linking we want to open the image from any folder. Then again a href. Before that give here 2 times br, that is 2 blank lines. A href, give the name of your image. Here in our folder we have image. Okay, therefore open this folder and you can use any image. F2. Before going to use the image, you have to right click on image and check the property for the extension of image. Click on property. The extension is .jpg. You can use png file, jpg file, gif file, etc. files. Okay. Now let us again copy the name of image by pressing F2. Right click, copy. Go to our source code, href. Image is in our folder, therefore first give the folder name images. Then there is slash, the name of the image, control V, dot, give the extension jpg. And here give the simple text, open image for preview. Okay. Now but suppose here you want to keep only preview under the anchor tag, then let us cut this tag from here and paste before the preview. Now save it. Again let us see the preview, F5, and whenever you click over here, here you are, image is open. Here you can click the back. Now here image is open in the same tab. If you want to open within the new window, then again go to our source code and give here target is equal to underscore blank. Save the file. Go to our preview, press F5, click here. Now the image is open in new window. Okay. We will see target in detail in next some topic. Now again, let us now create a linking for image itself. Again here we want two blank lines. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now we want image within linking, therefore here A, give the property href attribute equal to, give the image name. Now let us use the same path, and here we want second image. The name of second image, let us check. Nature 13, F2, copy. This one is also JPG image. Okay, this image will open by clicking on the same image. Then for that, here you have to use AMG tag. Let us skip. Let us transfer it into new line. Let us transfer it to a new line. IMG is a image tag. Source is attribute, and we want to give the same attribute. Don't get confused. We want to give the same attribute, but here image tag allow us to control the size of image. Now let us control the size of image. Let us create the small image, then give the attributes width is equal to, suppose here I give 200 pixel, and height here also I give suppose 150 pixel. Okay, now don't forget to close the anchor tag. Let us save it. Go to our preview, press F5, and whenever you move the cursor over this image, then you will click here, it will show the big image. Back. Like this you can also create a linking for image. Okay, then you should practice this linking by opening the different file or by handling the images. If you like the video, then click on the like button, share it, subscribe it. Thank you for watching the video.